Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Agawadi guys. How are you guys doing? I do hope you are all doing well, staying safe, being blessed. Thank you for tuning in today. Alright, today I want to show you how I make my own smoked fish. I love to cook with smoked fish a lot, especially when I make my traditional African meals. I love to cook them, and it's quite expensive when you buy it in the store. But when you do yours, believe me, it's kind of cheaper. And also, you're in control of the ingredients. All right. So for this, I'm going to be using mackerel. This fish is called mackerel. I know some of you will know it. But you can also use catfish. But today I want to make mackerel. And today's, I'll be needing salt, like a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of black pepper. Black pepper is optional. And because I'm making it in the oven and I do not have charcoal, this is my secret. I use liquid smoke to rub all over the fish. That's how you get that taste, as if it was grilled in the charcoal on your grill. And I'm gonna be using this oil spray just to spray the grill pan. This brush I'm going to be using to rub the mixtures of the salt, liquid smoke, and the ground pepper. And this is skewer, or you could use toothpick if that's what you got. You're going to use it to tie the fish. You're going to watch how I'm going to do it, okay? So stay tuned. Let me show you. So just relax. While we're doing this, go ahead and click on that like button. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Share this video. Leave me a comment or question whatsoever. Leave it to me at the comment box. I am willing to hear from you. Okay, so let's go do our smoked mackerel. So today's on my ramekin, I'm gonna go ahead and put like a teaspoon of salt, teaspoon of black pepper. This I'll put last, but meanwhile, let me just go ahead and mix this together. So this is wet. Normally, sometimes what I do is I leave it overnight to really dry up, but because I really need to use it to make a hot soup, I'm just going to go ahead and get my paper towel and just dab it to dry out all the water as much as I can, because you need it kind of dry. If you're not in a hurry, leave it overnight or for hours. Meanwhile, first of all, do not forget you gotta wash the fish. You see, it's very washed. Even though it was washed there, I came back home, I made sure I washed it again and remove everything I don't want there. So that's what I'm doing. I'm just drying off the excess liquid in it. Just dab it so well. Alright, now the next step will be to go ahead. You could even wet this up, but that will be making the fish wet again. And just go ahead and rub it all over the fish. This is just black pepper and salt. I'm rubbing to give it a taste. You can use only salt, it's optional. Make sure you also coat inside of it. And the other side, you coat it too. It's very important. Now the next step is the liquid smoke. Remember this? This is my secret. This is going to help give it that smoky flavor. You could use this fish to cook. You could just eat it like that with your, I don't know, like back home we used to drink gari and eat fish. Gari is made from cassava. You already smell as if it's from the charcoal. Make sure you add inside too. Just a little bit, not to wet up the fish per se. Just a little bit of the smoke. A liquid smoke. So I have two shapes I want to do. I'm going to do two of it round, and the two I'm going to cut when you cut it, you know, that way. What you do here, you open the mouth of the fish. This is the mouth of the fish, and you grab the tail and try your best to put it. It's kind of, this is such a big fish. If it was smaller, it's very easy. If it was smaller, I just go ahead and I use the the toothpick. It's breaking apart. Whew. That is a huge fish. Basically, you just open the mouth of the fish and then you put the tail and you use your skewer. This skewer is kind of long. I might have to cut it off. So I'm just going to do 2 of it like this. If you buy the smaller size, believe me, it's very easier. It's easier than this, the smaller size. So I'm going to do 1 more. And these 2, I want to cut it like into, let me see, like 4 or 5. That way I could use 2 each every time I'm cooking. So this one I'm gonna cut. And I think this is fine. You can leave the head out anyway if you don't want it. Make sure you line your tray with foil, because remember, it's still a little bit liquidy. I'm definitely going to cut out this as it's too long. If you have 2 racks, you can use, I have only 1. So that's it. It's going to go into the oven at 350 degrees. I'm going to grill the first side for 20 minutes, and then after 20 minutes I'm gonna turn it over and do the other side for another 20 minutes. Okay, all right, so it goes in the oven 20 minutes. All right guys, this is 20 minutes, so I'm gonna go ahead right now and switch it over. It is super hot. I'm just gonna try and flip it over. Let me do this big one. Yeah, this other side I might have to leave for 30 minutes, you know, kind of longer. This is why it's good to spray the rack, you know, that way it doesn't stick. So just put it back. I'm gonna put this other side for 30 more minutes. Okay guys, let's cook mackerel. Alright guys, it's ready. Look at that. You see, now I can go ahead and make my soup or stew or my local rice. Yay! Does that not look nice? It looks so nice. You see all that liquid that came out? So basically, one side, the first side I made for 20 minutes, and I had to go 30 minutes on the other one to make it drier. So here we go. Here you have your smoked mackerel. Thank you so much for joining me. Try this out. You will love it. I appreciate each and every one of you for always coming back. God bless you all. It's bye from Ogonwadi. Do not forget to subscribe. Click on the like button. Share this video. Leave me a comment. Thank you so much. I love you all. Bye-bye.